Hey, good morning. I've been up since about 5:30, just a stunning morning here in Wyoming on a early morning ride. I just have been inspired with all this beauty, and some of these trees here along this waterway are twisted and gnarly. They've been through drought and blizzards and whatnot. And it just made me think of a quote that I have in my cookbook that says, with creativity and adaptability, you can get through just about any disaster, disappointment in the kitchen. And the same goes for life. With creativity, adaptability, some perseverance, any of the life's challenges, disappointments, we can get through them. So that's what I want to leave you with, is persevere. The Finns have a word for perseverance and grit. It's called sisu. And that's what I just really encourage you to do in the kitchen as well as in life, is persevere. Use sisu, grit, determination, endurance, whatever adjective you want to use to describe. Use some of that creativity and adaptability that you have, and you will find success, whether it's in the kitchen or in life. With that, I'm getting pretty hungry. I gotta keep cycling. Hey, thanks for watching. Share and subscribe. Have an awesome day.